Hey guys, I'm back at Harbor Freight, checking out the deals they have going on for October. And many of these deals I'm going to go over the top ones that are ITC member pricing that they just rolled out. And I'm going to start off here on an NCAP. They have many of these ITC member deals. It requires a $30 membership, which is good for 12 months. You can ask the cashier to go with a 2-year plan for 45, and that's a much better deal. All right, so I'm getting started here with the Bauer. It is 50-foot self-leveling 360-degree horizontal cross-line laser level. It is normally priced at $100, but you're able to save $20 with the ITC pricing. And that's good until October 30th. It does go up to a 50-foot range, and it's a simple and accurate and increased visibility. It is a red line laser, which I did do a review video of a different laser by Sigman. I'll be sure to link that up above into the cards. You can take a look. It has a greater range than this Bauer one, but it is a little bit higher price than this one. All right, next up is the Jupiter Power Inverter. It's a 750 watt inverter. It has 1500 peak watts at 2 times faster charging with a 2.1 amp USB port. And it's good for game consoles, laptop, computer, power tools, and a coffee maker. You can turn your car battery into a power source. They have this with an ITC member price at only $58. It was $70, so saving $12 there. Then they have some good deals on the Hercules corner detail sanding sheets. They have those priced at only $4. They're saving $4, so it's 50% off. Another good deal is on the Braun 500 lumen headlamp. It does use 3 AAA batteries, and you can adjust the zoom on the light itself, and also you can swivel the angle down 90 degrees. They have that price at $8, saving $7, so that's a pretty good deal on that. And they have this Hallmaster 2-inch by 27-foot ratcheting tie down. It's good for up to 10,000 pounds of braking strength and a 3,300 pound working load. They have that priced at only $11. That's saving $6 on that. Then they have the Daytona Rapid Pump 1.5 ton aluminum jack. Normally priced at $140, but with the ITC member pricing, you're going to be saving $15, so it's only be $125. And they have the Icon 1/4-inch modular general service set of socket set here. It's 48 pieces in SAE and metric. The ITC member pricing is only $80. That's saving $33 there. That's a good deal on that. And the next deal is on the Hercules 1 horsepower induction motor 8-inch heavy duty professional bench grinder. Now this price is only $170. That's saving $30 there. And they have the Pittsburgh 20-ton air hydraulic bottle jack. Normally priced at $160, but with ITC member pricing, it's going to be $90. And they have a small parts storage case, nice hard plastic container with a see-through lid and individual bins. That is normally priced at $12.99, so you're going to save $3 on that, so it's only be $10. And if you have a TV, you need a mount that's between size 23-inch to 65-inch. And it's good to mount on a single stud. It has full motion, so you can articulate it and swivel it around. Yeah, this is normally priced at $35, but with ITC member pricing, you're going to be saving $20 on that. So it's going to be $15. That's an excellent deal on that. And they have this Warrior 80-piece rotary tool kit. It comes with an assortment of different bits and sanding wheels and discs. It's good for cutting metal, drywall, plastic, and wood. It uses the 1/4 of an inch shank. Normally priced at $10. With ITC member pricing is going to be $7. If you're getting value from this video, I would appreciate you give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribing for tool deal videos like this. Help me get to 15,000 subscribers. You'd be surprised actually with the analytics that most of my videos here only have about 95% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. I'd appreciate the support. It's free to do to subscribe, so just click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that way you're notified of the future tool deal videos that I do. Now getting into instant savings deals that they are currently running, in which many of these are going to be expiring on October 9th. So for example, they have the Pittsburgh 13-piece half-inch deep impact socket set. So it's your choice of metric or SAE. They have that priced at only $32 each. Then they have the Pittsburgh 14-piece combination wrench set in the SAE, Price at only 20 bucks. It was 25, so it's saving 20% on that. And a Merlin air compressor accessory option. They have this one. It's a 20-piece set. It comes with an assortment of different fittings, as well as different plugs and couplers and connectors. And then the air hose itself is only priced at 18 bucks. It's saving 28%. And they have this Pittsburgh 2-ton compact trolley jack. It's compact size and easy to store, so it's a 4,000 lift capacity, and it goes to a maximum height of 13 inches. The instant savings price is 35 bucks. It was 50, which I believe right now there's another deal currently going on. I think that was with a coupon. You get it for a little bit less. I think it's like around 30 bucks if I'm not mistaken. They have a Merlin air hose option. It's a 3/8 by 25 foot rubber air hose. Price at only $12. That's saving 20% on that. And some more instant savings deals they are offering currently until October 9th is this Pittsburgh 24-inch I-beam level. Normally priced at 8 bucks. You're going to save 37% on that. It's only going to be 5 bucks. It's a pretty good deal. Then they have the Warrior security bit set. It's 100 pieces. It comes with an assortment of different security bits, Torx bits, even those security ones with the holes and the Torx. Pretty good assortment here. It's something good to have on hand for specialty screws that you never know you'll run across. And these are the different bits that it comes with. So 100 pieces total, and they are 1/4-inch shanks, so it'll fit in most of those bit extender holders. That is priced only 9 bucks. It was 10, so saving 10% there. And you can save 20% on the Franklin Sensors stud finder. It's the Pro Sensor M10. It's a nice little compact stud finder. It goes up to a max depth of 1 inch, and it has 3 sensors for accuracy. Yeah, that price is only 12 bucks. It was 15. And this Voyager 15-inch tool bag for only $10. It's a pretty good deal for a nice little tool bag. Then they have the Pittsburgh 4-in-1 rafter square on instant savings, only 3 bucks for that. Then they have the Warrior 4.5-inch 60 grit flap discs for only 3 bucks. That's 40% off. It does come in different grits. They have them in 80, 60. There's a few different options there. And if you need a palm detail sander, they have this one by Warrior on a special savings at only 15 bucks. It was 20. Then they have the Bauer quarter sheet sander. It's the corded one, 2.2 amp rated. Yeah, that price only 20 bucks, and it was 25. Then they have the 5-inch Hercules variable speed random orbit sander, only 45 bucks. That's saving 18% on that. If you have some demolition work to do in the near future, like removing tile, this thing is a beast. They have this demolition hammer. It's a 23-pound one, SDS Max type. It's 14.5 amp rated by Hercules. They have this normally priced at $379, but you're going to save 80 bucks on that. So it's going to be $300. It's an excellent deal there. And if you're on the fence of even getting that membership for the ITC members, that alone would cover the cost of that, as well as additional $50 in savings. And they have this Hercules compact trim router. It's 7 amp on an instant savings of $10, which is only 90 bucks. And they have another trim router option by Drill Master. It's a 2.4 amp trim router. They have this with an ITC member price at only 19 bucks. That's saving $11 there. Excellent deal. And they have this Vulcan Pro TIG 205 that is normally priced at 1,200 bucks, but the ITC member pricing is going to be 980 bucks. $220 in savings right there. Now, in case you missed my previous video I posted recently on the parking lot sale they are doing this month, I just want to remind you guys in this video, in case you missed it, I will put a link above to that video as well, where I go over most of the best deals in this flyer for parking lot sale. It is this coming week, starting on Monday, October 6th through Thursday, October 9th for ITC members. And then everyone else can save on Friday, October 10th through the 12th. And the best deals they're offering basically is 20% off on the US General carts and cabinets. That's going to be a great pickup there for toolboxes. And then they have 25% off all Bauer corded power tools. And then 35% off all pliers and screwdrivers from Bremen, Doyle, Icon, Pittsburgh, and Quinn. That's going to be a great time to pick up any of these sets. And the other best deal they're offering is 50% off all Thunderbolt batteries. So good time to pick up some of those items there. And be sure to check out my parking lot sale video in case you missed it. And for the ITC member pricing for this month, you can pause the video and maybe scan this QR code so you can see all the deals online that they're offering for the Inside Track Club members. If you happen to do drywall work and happen to have this drywall sander by Bauer, it's a 9-inch one that uses 9-inch hook and loop pads. Well, right now they have the ITC member pricing on the 9-inch sanding discs, 120 grit and 220 grit, on sale for only $8. That's saving $4 on those. If you happen to be doing any tiling work in the near future, they have a couple of good deals on some Diamondback tile saws. So, for example, they have this one. It's a 10-inch one, 15 amp with a sliding table and extended rip capacity. Price is only $430. That's gonna be saving $70 on that saw. That's a pretty good deal on that. And another option they have is a 10 amp 7-inch wet tile saw, also with a sliding table. They have that priced at only $250. That's saving $50 on that. Now, if you haven't done tiling before and you're looking for a tile saw, one thing I recommend doing that I've done in the past with other tile saws that I've had is you take the pump and put it in a clean bucket of water, like a 5-gallon Harbor Freight bucket that you get for free. Like, for example, this weekend that they're doing, put it in clean water. That way you're always pumping clean water through the pump, and then it collects the dirty water in this tray and just empty out the dirty water. That way you're not running any of the debris and particles through the pump. It'll make your pump last a lot longer. So definitely worth recommending doing that. And this looks like a pretty solid saw. I had a 10-inch rigid one. It looks actually pretty similar to this. It's a pretty good deal at $429, because any other 10-inch tile saws are going to be a minimum of $800, $1,000, $1,100. For anything else that's going to be comparable. And to give you an example on the capacity of the 10-inch saw, is you can rip cut up to 24 inches and 18 inches diagonal cut. It also has a max depth cut of 3.5 inches and a 1.5 inch at a 45-degree angle. It also includes a 10-inch blade with a max speed of 6,100 RPM. That's actually a pretty good deal at only $430. And then this 7-inch tile saw has a rip cut capacity of 24 inches as well, and a 18-inch diagonal cut, maximum depth cut of 2.25 inch. It doesn't mention the max depth of a 45-degree bevel cut, but you can still do the bevels on it. The thing that's nice about this is that it has a built-in fence as well, so if you have repetitive cuts where you have to make a sliver of a tile, you can just clamp on this fence right here. Also, you can set up different angles too if you have repetitive angles to do as well, or just to use it as one cut. So it's easy to set up. It's pretty nice. And they have this Doyle 5-inch multi-purpose vise. It swivels upside down to where you can clamp down on pipe as well. So it's versatile. It also has a built-in anvil as well. They have this normally priced at $170, but with ITC member pricing, it's going to be $150, saving $20. Excellent deal. Another vise option they have is the Central Machinery 6-inch swivel vise. It also has a anvil on the top as well. They have this normally priced at $80, but you're able to save $15 with ITC member pricing, so it's going to be $65. And if you have some metal cutting to do, they have this Hercules 14-inch abrasive cutoff saw. It is 15 amp and it has a 5-inch cutting capacity and an adjustable depth stop to it. Normally priced at $190, but you're going to be able to save $30 with ITC member, so it's going to be $160. They have this Bauer 20-volt 8-inch cordless pole saw with ITC member pricing. It does go from 6 feet to 9 feet 3 inches. It is normally priced at $90. It is tool only, but you're going to be able to save $15 on it, so it's going to be $75. And they have this Yukon 46-inch mobile workbench. It does come with one top drawer and then a storage cabinet below. It is normally priced at $299, but with the ITC member pricing, you're going to save $30. So it's going to be $269. It's a pretty good deal on that. Comes with a nice hard top to it. And here's what the drawer looks like. It is nice and deep, probably like 4 or 5 inches deep. It has tool storage in the cabinet, as well as like a pegboard that's made out of the metal, and other storage compartments on the door itself. And they have the same on the other side as well. So it actually looks pretty decent for only 270 bucks. Not bad. Another Yukon option they are offering is this 46-inch workbench. And it does kind of include a light as well as this back pegboard section. And then the light would be above that. This is made of like a composite material on the top, but it looks like it's an MDF on the inside. So just be aware of that. But it is a good price, only 100 bucks, saving 20 on that. It does come with 2 drawers. And the light that it does come with is LED. It says the slides are ball bearing. And if you need a new chain hoist, they have this one. It's a 1-ton rating, vertical lift, compact and portable, by Hallmaster. It's going to be priced at 55 bucks, ITC member pricing. It was 70, so saving 15 bucks on that. Another option they have by Hallmaster is a 1.5-ton lever chain hoist. That's priced at 110 bucks. That's saving 20. And they have this Maddox 5-gallon air bead seeder. ITC member price at $120. That's saving 30. And they have a deal on the Icon wrench set. So they have them both in metric and SAE. It is 14-piece set. They have that on an ITC member pricing at only 100 bucks. That's saving 20. And the same thing goes for the metric. So your choice there. And these are the sizes that it comes with for the metric. And then here's the sizes in the SAE. And they have a deal going on with this Grant's compact detail seat. The seat height is 14 3/4 inch. It has nice large caster wheels that are 4 inches. It has compartments on each side to be able to organize different cleaners or beverages, as well as a tool organizer in the front part. They do have this with the ITC member price at only 55 bucks, and it was 70. And they're running a deal on the Daytona 2-piece professional steel auto dollies. It comes with these caster wheels to be able to make carting around a vehicle easily in a shop. So they have those priced at normally 85 bucks. With ITC member pricing, it's going to be 70 bucks. It's only saving $15. It's a pretty good deal. And they are rated at 2,500 pounds per dolly. And it's made with a 1/4 inch steel plate, and it's powder coated. And if you're in need of a serious floor jack, they have this one by Pittsburgh. It's 22-ton rated. It's an air hydraulic floor jack, and it goes up to 17 3/4 inch. And a minimum height is 8 15/16. And it uses the PSI of 110 to 120. That is normally priced at 390 bucks, but with ITC member pricing, it's going to be 299, saving 90. Excellent deal on that. And another deal they are having is on this Icon T10 Professional Comprehensive Diagnostic Scanner. And it has different fittings as well. You're going to be able to save 200 bucks on that scanner, so it's only going to be $1,500. I know one of the complaints about it is that it does not come with lifetime updates. I will be doing a review video of a different scanner that's about half the price, and it does include lifetime updates. So if you're not subscribed already, be sure you are. That way you're notified when I do that review video. It's going to be which scanner that I have to review is also uses AI, and it connects to a community as well to be able to ask questions and that sort of thing. So definitely be on the lookout for that. It's going to be a great price as well compared to this Icon one. And they're running a great deal on this Grant's 12-pack of the edgeless microfiber towels. They are 16 by 16 in size. Comes with the 2 different colors of the green and purple. ITC member pricing is only 6 bucks, saving $4. So that's 40% off. That's a pretty good deal. And they're running a deal on this RoadShock Edge 6 LED spotlight. It is normally priced at 160 bucks, but with ITC member pricing, you're gonna be able to save $30 on that. It is rated at 7,500 lumens. It does have 6 bulbs. It is IP68 rated. It includes amber, black, opaque covers. It has high, low, amber, backlight modes. So that's a pretty good deal, saving the 30 bucks, which at $30 alone would pay for the ITC membership. All right, if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate if you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.